Out of a total of 549 corruption-related cases that were prosecuted from the year 2013 to this year, there have been only 54 convictions. This is according to the multi-agency task force formed to investigate and prosecute corruption cases in the country.
The agency informed the Senate Committee on Justice and Legal Affairs that most of the 74 cases that were withdrawn during the period were largely caused by the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission not being properly constituted during the processing of the cases.
The multi-agency task force led by its chairperson Muthoni Kimani, accompanied by the Director of Public Prosecutions Nordin Haji, Director of Criminal Investigations George Kinoti, and other anti-graft government agencies, appeared before the committee very optimistic about slaying the corruption menace in the country. From 2013 to date, out of 549 corruption-related cases, the team has managed to secure 54 convictions and 94 acquittals. However, during that period, they withdrew 74 cases, majority of them being in 2017 and 2018, after a court ruled that the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission EACC was not properly constituted when it was processing some of the cases. 231 cases registered during that period are still pending in court.
This affected a number of, I think, around more than 100, around 125 cases.
Kenyans sometimes are too much in demanding for money as opposed to loving their country. You'll find somebody will come to you, you are an investigator, I have this information, but I need this money.
In the counties, they managed to secure only 14 convictions and 18 acquittals, while being forced to withdraw another 28 cases. 36 cases are still pending in court. EACC has managed to preserve and put under forfeiture proceedings several assets and cash, including both movable and immovable property, worth more than 381 million shillings. The ongoing cases at various stages of hearing in court involve approximately 61 billion shillings. At the same time, the ongoing cases involve bribery amounts that range between 6 billion shillings and 29 billion shillings. Vincent Oduor, NTV.